This new song by the group the Beths called Dying to Believe. That's the introductory riff. It goes on the 6th string, 5, 7, jumps to the 5th string, 4, 5, 7, 5. Then it goes 7 on the 6th string again. You might slide it. You play it up here. Play it higher up. 2 guitars are playing it. And then of course this is kind of a punk style rock song, so we're going to be using lots of power chords. One guitar is playing this. On the introduction, and the other guitar is playing here, and both guitars are playing D, A. I'm sorry, D, E, and then what's happening is one of the guitarists is laying down the ring finger at fret 14 over strings 4, 3, and 2. That gets the A. That gives you the A chord. And this is actually teaching us a good lesson. If you got 2 guitars, don't play the same position as the other guitar, so you get a much better sound. One guitar is playing this, power chords, D, E. The other guitar is playing F-shaped chords. And again, that's just our F shape on strings 4, 3, 2. Except when you move it up to the 10th fret, it's a D, 12th fret, it's a E, and then they're using that A shape. That's just like this. All right, moving on. I'll show you the different parts of the song, and then it'll be your job to figure out the sequence. So then after the intro, they start with an A power chord. Then they go a G. Then they go F sharp. And then they go to D. So in time, that would be like this. A, G, F sharp, D. There is a pre-chorus in this song, and the pre-chorus is B minor, D, F sharp, A. It's played like this. And then the chorus is just a D to E. Kind of like the intro. Yeah, and then at some point, the lead guitar is playing D to E up here. More like a strumming kind of pattern. And that's just your regular old D shape, except moved up to the 14th fret. To the 14th fret. And then it climbs up 2 frets to the 16th fret, and that's your E. D. They kind of make like a humorous video for this song, and you can see the guitars playing this. And that's pretty much the whole song. A lot of D to E. But I like this song because of the melody, the A major melody, and I like that it doesn't sound like every other punk rock song like on the radio now. Hope you enjoyed this lesson of Dying to Believe by the Beths. Please subscribe if you liked it, and have a great day.